Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we'll see the ingredients for making tomato achaar. So let's get started. We need 1 tablespoon of jeera, half tablespoon of methi, and quarter spoon of mustard seeds. Then 1 full garlic. Then you need curry leaves, dried chili. You need half tablespoon of chana dal. Then urad dal, half of 1 tablespoon. Then you need a handful of tamarind. You need salt as per your taste, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, haldi half spoon, and you need 8 to 10 large tomatoes. Grind it and make a paste. So next we'll see how to prepare it. To a pan, now you need to add all oil. So we first will add jeera, mustard seeds and methi seeds. Next we'll add chana dal and urad dal. Then we'll add garlic cloves. Okay, then we will add curry leaves. We will add the dried chilies. Then stir it. When the garlic cloves are turning brown in color, you can add next the tomato paste. So stir it in between. So after some 30 seconds, you can add the tomato puree. So cook this for 30 to 40 minutes on a low flame. Add chili powder, a little bit of haldi powder and salt in this. Next step is to add the tamarind paste. So add the tamarind water and leave it for 40 minutes on a low flame. So this is a final look of टमाटर का अचार या चटनी after 40 minutes on a low flame. Can have this with roti or rice. Jazakallah khairan.